How to fix a new Siri AI waitlist issue on your iPhone or iPad. First, scroll down. Here, tap on Turn Siri off. Now turn it off. You close the settings. Open the settings again. Here, check your internet connection. Make sure that your internet is working properly. Now scroll down. Here, tap on General. Tap on Software Update and update your iPhone software. Now go back. Scroll down. Here, tap on Language and Region. Now select your region to US or UK or another spotted country. Now go back, scroll down. Here tap on Siri. Now tap on language. Here select English US or UK. Now go back. Now tap on turn Siri on. Now select continue. Now wait for 24 or 48 hours. Apple Intelligence will be enabled on your iPhone. There is no other way to bypass this waitlist, so you have to wait. So this is the video guys. Please like the video and subscribe my channel.